Welcome back. If you're watching this, it means you're ready to dig deeper into your relationship, and that's a huge step. Today, we are going to talk about how therapy at the Marriage Fit works, what you can expect, and how it will help you and your partner get closer and stronger together. When couples come to us at the Marriage Fit, they are just not looking for a temporary fix. You are here because you are ready to transform your relationship in a way that lasts. Maybe you're feeling disconnected, weighed down by arguments that never seem to resolve, or carrying the emotional baggage of unmet needs and old resentments. I want you to know that you are in the right place. Just like a doctor wouldn't prescribe treatment without understanding what's truly wrong, we don't make assumptions about what your relationship needs. We start with a thorough pre-assessment. This phase is about uncovering the root issues so we can design a plan that genuinely works. Imagine going to the doctor with severe pain. You wouldn't want them to just give you painkillers and send you off without figuring out what's causing the problem. Maybe the pain is due to something serious, like an infection, inflammation, or maybe internal damage that needs the right treatment. The same goes for a relationship. We can't just pick a quick fix on your struggles. We need to understand what's really going on beneath the surface. That's where a pre-assessment comes in. It's like a deep dive to figure out what's driving the challenges you are facing. We focus on these key areas. Our pre-assessment phase is about understanding every aspect of a relationship dynamics. Here's what we focus on. We begin with the comprehensive history of a relationship, your individual backgrounds, and life experiences. This is the cornerstone of our pre-assessment. Your past, how were you raised, past relationship, and major life events shapes how you communicate, connect, and react to each other today. Understanding the history gives us a full, deep picture of how you relate so we can provide the best guidance moving forward. Rapport formation and relationship dynamics. We aim to create a safe, trusting environment where both of you feel comfortable sharing. Building this rapport helps us understand the intricate dynamics of your relationship and how you both interact, or both positively and negatively. Love languages and value systems. Everyone has a unique way of giving and receiving love. We identify your love languages and the core values you hold dear. Recognizing these can transform how you meet each other's emotional needs and deepen your connection. To make this assessment thorough and scientific, we use established tools like the Gottman Methods Relationship Checkup, among others. This isn't just guesswork, it's backed by science and helps us understand how you handle conflict, connect emotionally, and cope with stress. With this information, we can create a plan that's specifically designed for you and your partner. I understand that when couples come to us, they're often feeling desperate and overwhelmed. The pain in your relationship is real, and waiting for help just isn't an option. That's why, even while we work to uncover the deeper issues causing your struggles, we also provide immediate support to ease some of the pain right away. Think of it like walking into an emergency room in severe pain. You would want relief immediately, even as the doctors figure out what exactly wrong. That's exactly what we aim to do with our first interventions. Here are some simple techniques we use. CBT and ACT, Cognitive Behavioral Therapy, and Acceptance and Commitment-Based Therapy. CBT focuses on helping you recognize and challenge negative thoughts that can harm your relationship. By breaking these unhealthy patterns, you can create more positive interactions. ACT, on the other hand, encourages you to accept uncomfortable emotions without letting them control your behavior. Mindfulness and deep breathing. Mindfulness is about staying present in the moment without judgment, which can help you manage stress. Deep breathing calms both your body and your mind, making it easier to respond to your partner with patience and understanding, even when things get tense. The 5-minute pause. When things are getting heated, taking a 5-minute break can do wonders. The simple pause allows both of you to cool off, reset, and come back to the conversation with clearer heads. It's based on CBT techniques and helps us break the cycle of negative reactions, allowing you to approach the situation with more compassion. The Gottman Method. The Gottman Method is a set of strategies for improving communication and reducing conflict. It helps couples understand each other's feelings, needs, and creating a stronger foundation of trust and connection. It teaches skills like active listening and managing emotions during disagreements, making relationships healthier and even more resilient. Emotionally focused therapy. EFT helps couples understand the emotional triggers that lead to conflict and how to address them. By identifying these patterns, you can reconnect emotionally, creating a deeper bond and more security in your relationship. It encourages couples to express vulnerability and needs in a safe and a non-judgmental way. Imago therapy. Imago therapy focuses on understanding how your childhood experiences influence your current relationship. It emphasizes empathetic communication, helping you and your partner connect more deeply by listening and understanding each other's perspective. By doing so, you can heal old wounds and create a stronger emotional connection. These easy techniques are a way to find relief and bring some peace into a relationship right from the start. But that's not only the first step. Our goal is to do more than just help you feel better in the short term. We want to build a strong, lasting foundation for real change. Once we have addressed some of the immediate pain, we'll dive deeper to understand the real issues at the core of your struggles. Frequent arguments or emotional distance are often signs of bigger unresolved problems, like old wounds or unmet emotional needs. We are here to help you tackle these root causes so the issues don't keep coming back. By the end of our pre-assessment phase, you will have a clear understanding of what's truly holding you back, and you will feel more empowered by the immediate steps you have already taken. This is more about than hope. It's about creating tangible progress, even from day one.